fell in there. So there is a small little metal plate, so don't lose the guy. Where is my screw? There it is. So I just leave it attached like this, and I will put this one in there, and so I'll be still organized. And then don't lose this one, huh? See? Voila. Okay. So this is what the valve looks like. With a screw. What do I have?
Little one.
Ah ja.
Your workshop is better. You'll see before.
Maybe something changed, or you wearing the glasses? Hopla! Because when I leave to George Verdun, there has to be time inside. That's a must. Okay. Hopla! Oh, gelukkig, how much easier, huh? So a good base is actually what we need, eh? Look, and now I can push it on. Doesn't pop. Let's go higher, eh? Yeah, it's coming. Yes. Here is a box for you. I succeed.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, okay. Yeah, when you open it up, put something on your nose, eh? Ah, you already opened it up. If it means there was coming such a weird smell out of it, out of the box, it was so strong, the smell. Okay.